Ladies and gentlemen, as we proceed to give you what you need, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Cody, and today we are here for another sneaker unboxing video. Today we are looking at an absolute classic. Today we are unboxing the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. These sneakers released at the beginning of the month on May 2nd for a retail price of $200. I was able to cop mine on the Sneakers app without any problems because I'm pretty sure this was a very general release for these things. A lot of people were expecting to pick these up, and as far as I can tell, I don't think anybody had any issues. These are actually my first pair of Jordan 5s. I've just been waiting for an OG colorway to drop. I don't like any of the non-OG Jordan 5 colorways, and finally, at long last, these beautiful things came out, and let me tell you, it was definitely worth the wait. The color breakdown on the box starts with white, which we see on the majority of the upper of the shoes. It's made up of leather around the toe and heel portions, and the sides have a plastic mesh window that makes the shoe a little bit more sturdy. The next color is black, which we see on the midsole, on the inside, in the insole, and the outsole of the sneaker, along with the translucent icy bottoms. Metallic reflective 3M silver can be seen on the tongue. I won't be demonstrating the reflectiveness on this video, but here's a sample photo that demonstrates that sweet shine. Finally, the eye-catching fire red color can be seen on the lace locks, the Jumpman on the tongue, the sock liner, the classic Nike Air logo on the heel, which is giant on this particular Jordan 5. I love the extra emphasis they put on that classic logo. It just gives it even more of an OG emphasis, I feel like. You got more fire red on the Jumpman on the outsole, and the iconic shark teeth on the sides, which are inspired by World War II fighter planes. As far as quality goes, to me the leather feels very hard and very stiff. They're very nice to look at, don't get me wrong, these shoes are absolutely gorgeous, but to me, you can tell it's been mass produced. That's not a huge issue to me personally because I'm very meticulous with the way I care for my shoes, so even if the quality isn't that good, as long as you take care of them, they'll be okay. Don't let the quality dissuade you from picking up these classics. Let me know what you all think of these in the comments down below. Did you pick them up? Did you pass on them? Is there another sneaker you're looking forward to copping in the future? What is your favorite Jordan 5 colorway? Let me know all that and more. Thank you for coming out to this one. Hope to see you for the next one.